Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the trick about aldol and cross-aldol condensation product. So for aldol condensation, we need alpha hydrogen. Here carbonyl compound should contain alpha H. Acetaldehyde is treated with dilute NaOH and the product form is called aldol. Due to this aldehyde group and this alcohol group, it is known as aldol. Ol for alcohol, ald for aldehyde. When we heat the aldol product, then water gets removed and it forms alpha beta unsaturated compound. Alpha beta unsaturated. Now we will not discuss mechanism. We will directly move on to the trick that is useful for our examination purpose. If we go through mechanism, that is not also much more. Only here we need to apply that 2 moles of carbonyl compound is taken by default and 1 mole of acetaldehyde is reacting with another mole of acetaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH. Then it forms aldol product, and when we hit that aldol product, water gets removed and we get alpha beta unsaturated compound that is known as condensation product. Now here we need to apply the trick. As I said earlier that by default we need to take this one as 2 mole. So 1 mole of acetaldehyde is reacting with another mole of acetaldehyde, and the trick is that we need to remove just H2O. Here 2 hydrogen and here 1 oxygen, and between both of these a double bond will be formed, CH, C double bond OH. Look how simple this is. Only we have to remove water and then write product as it is. Now let's see another example for better vision. Here also we need to do the same. 1 mole is reacting with another mole and just we have to remove H2O. So we need to take alpha hydrogen, not this hydrogen or this hydrogen. Always we need to take that alpha hydrogen. So alpha hydrogen is this one. So remove 2 H2 from here and 1 oxygen from here and write the product. Double bond will be formed between these two, this carbon and this carbon. So look how simple this is. One important thing, this is not aldol product, this is aldol condensation product, and the catalyst used is NaOH, dilute NaOH in presence of heat. This is catalyst. Suppose acetaldehyde is reacting with propanaldehyde. So when we take these two, then 4 product will be formed. Let's see how. First of all, if 1 mole of acetaldehyde is reacting with another mole of acetaldehyde, 1 product. If 1 mole of acetaldehyde is reacting with 1 mole of propanaldehyde, then 1 product. And if 1 mole of propanaldehyde is reacting with another mole of propanaldehyde, then 1 product. And if 1 mole of propanaldehyde is reacting with another mole of acetaldehyde, then 1 product. So total it is 4 products. So here we will not discuss mechanism again, only we had to apply that trick. So first of all, 1 mole of acetaldehyde is reacting with another mole of acetaldehyde. Then we will get product by removing H2O, that is this oxygen, and here alpha hydrogen, CH3, CH, here double bond with this carbon and then C double bond OH. So this is 1 product. And second one, when 1 mole of acetaldehyde is reacting with another mole of propanaldehyde, here also we need to remove that H2O. So here suppose this oxygen and this alpha hydrogen, not this hydrogen, this is not alpha hydrogen, this is not alpha hydrogen, this is alpha hydrogen. So we need to remove this hydrogen and double bond with this carbon. So here it is another product. So here also 1 mole of propanaldehyde is reacting with another mole of propanaldehyde. Same here, remove H2O, alpha hydrogen and this oxygen. double bond between these two carbons, and this one is our third product. And now last one, where 1 mole of propanaldehyde is reacting with 1 mole of acetaldehyde. So remove H2O, oxygen from here, and here alpha hydrogen. Double bond between these two. This one is our fourth product. So total product is 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, the difference between these two is that here we removed oxygen from acetaldehyde and here we removed oxygen from propanaldehyde. So these two products are different. So cross aldol is also a type of aldol reaction. Here only two different type of reactants is taken and totally 4 products is formed, excluding stereoisomers. Let's see intramolecular aldol. So here again we will take any carbonyl compound which contains alpha H. Here it is taken as 1 mole because here it is intramolecular aldol. Here already 2 carbonyl groups are present. So see the reaction. This carbonyl group is treated in dilute base and here acidic hydrogen is removed and this nucleophile attack on this nucleophilic center and form this compound. And again when we heat it, water will remove and this will form this product, condensation product. So let's see the trick. So here is some multiple possibility, but we should find the major product among them. So first possibility is oxygen from here and here it is alpha hydrogen, so 2 hydrogen from here. But if we see them, it will get converted into 3-membered ring. So 3-membered ring is highly unstable, so that will be not a stable product. So we should take at least 5-membered ring so that ring strength will be least. So we will take oxygen from here and here it is also alpha hydrogen, so 2 hydrogen from here, and we will write the product by following the same rule that we had followed in the previous one. First of all we will number the rings so that substitution get easy. So double bond will be formed between 5 and 1, so 5 and 1 double bond, 2 double bond O, and on 5 again a methyl group. So this will be the product. So look how simple it is.